Here's a new idea. We have the elbow with the Unger. So when you're on the side of a building, you can just go like this. Boom, scrub it. So this elbow with the Unger adapter and a tip is $65. Now, we made some modifications to the water bar. I think it had too many cuts in it. And so we blocked them off. And if you have a metal one and you worry about scraping more, then you put it on the big Tucker brush. And it's really cool. There's a lot more pressure coming out of this, because look at that. And that's going to give you a really good rinse. And you can adjust it too. You put another shut off. But this is what's really cool about this idea and our elbow for $65 of shipping. Watch this. Here we go. Boom. So now you can scrub and get that little dirt that you have a hard time, or maybe put some chemical on it like A1 or Barkeeper's Friend, and then flip it back up and rinse it off. So the combination of the Tucker rinse bar and the Unger on the elbow, and it's a really good combination. This is the total hog hair Tucker brush, and I think the modification with less water bar hose works really well, and you're going to get a really good rinse. And you could probably put another valve in here and then adjust the water bar. But the main thing is for $65, this is cool, guys. You can get the Unger and our elbow and our tip, and that's really reasonable. SimPole Labs, innovating for the window cleaner.